Namaskar. Hi, I'm Gargi, and today I'm going to talk about something very disturbing. Yes, it has disturbed me. There is a woman whose name we never knew before. Her name is Lena Money McLeay. Yeah, she has made a documentary on Kaali. Now, making a documentary is a different thing, but she has made a poster which is made deliberately to provoke Hindu sentiments. Yes, that poster, Goddess Kali has been shown smoking cigarette. A woman has been dressed as Goddess Kali with Trishul in one hand and cigarette in the other. An LGBT flag is behind the image of Lord Goddess Kali. Now, this kind of unknown, aspiring filmmakers, they will never ever dare to do this sort of things with the other religion because they know that they'll be beheaded then. But to gain some cheap publicity, they can easily mock and insult Hindu gods and goddesses because they know Hindus will not say anything. We are tolerant. We are tolerant by nature. We are taught to be tolerant. We are supposed to be tolerant. That's why they can do anything. Of course, this is cheap publicity. Nobody would have spoken about her if she would not have done this film or done this poster rather. Now, yes, FIR has been registered. 2 FIRs have been registered against her. But no, nobody has given any call for her beheading or killing because we Hindus never do that. We Hindus and Sanatanis are tolerant. Our religion does not teach to kill. Our religion teaches Sarve Sukhinam Bhavantu. Our religion teaches Aham Brahmasmi. So, just FIRs have been registered, and that's only, I think these days it's been happening because there's some awakening among the Hindus. But now see on the other side. On the other side, if we see, there has been beheading of Kanhaiyalal in Udaipur. There has been stabbing and killing of Umesh Kole in Amravati. And the main accused in Amravati killing of Umesh Kole has been his old friend, family friend of 16 years. Whom does a person trust? Now, in such scenario, I have a few set of questions. I have questions to the lordships, to the justices of Supreme Court. Of course, we accept Supreme Court rulings. We know that Justice Pardiwala and Suryakant of Supreme Court blamed Nupur Sharma for all the violence in the country. They have even held her responsible for Kanhaiyalal's beheading. Though they have not written it, they have not put it on record or given any judgment, but made observations. But these observations can even encourage the other side. Anyway, now my question is, we all remember that how Sally Patty was beheaded in France, how the Charlie Hebdo office was attacked, how after the Danish cartoonist made the Prophet's cartoon on Charlie Hebdo, even in Nigeria churches were attacked, Christians were attacked and killed. Now let's come back to India. India, we have seen several riots. Okay, and in 1946, there was the Direct Action Day, the Great Calcutta Killings, where thousands of Hindus were killed. There was Noakhali riot. 32 years ago, we in this country have witnessed the Kashmiri Pandit genocide, and they became refugee in their own country, 4.5 lakh Kashmiris. Just last year in Bangladesh, during the Durga Puja, the Bengali Hindus were attacked, their Durga Puja pandals were vandalized, and Ashtami day, Durga idol had to be immersed. Visarjan Ashtami mein ho gaya. And I can go on and go on and go on. There are so many other incidents. So do the Honourable Lordships, the Honourable Justices think that Nupur Sharma is responsible for all this? It is a statement which is responsible, not the teachings, not the mindset of those people. And won't this kind of observation encourage those mindsets again further? Now, they have made observations. Yes, they have not clubbed the FIRs. That means she has to go to all the states. And so they want her to be thrown among a pack of wolves. Yes, because the maximum number of cases have been registered in West Bengal. And we know West Bengal. We know what happened last year after the election results. There was a reign of terror unleashed after the elections. We have seen tremendous post-poll violence. The word Kala hobby became synonymous with rape and murder. Even the National Human Rights Commission had stated that in West Bengal there is no rule of law, but there is no rule of law, but law of the ruler. So in such a state should she go? What will happen to her? Anyway, perhaps that's the reason, the former Justice of Delhi High Court, Justice Dhingra, has even slammed these observations. Now, we are bound to accept Supreme Court's ruling, but surely we can feel hurt. We are hurt, yes. We are hurt that women can be blamed for all those things and women's life is threatened, yet she can be asked to go to states like West Bengal, so we are hurt. Now my question is, the same justices never questioned Rahmani. Rahmani was in the same show in which Nupur Sharma was there. He literally provoked Nupur Sharma by demeaning Lord Shiva repeatedly. Not a word of condemnation against Rahmani, and till date, not a single FIR against Rahmani. Now coming back to the Leena Manimeklai, the filmmaker's case, will the same judges, the lordships, take some suo motu action against this lady called Leena Manimeklai for hurting Hindu sentiments, for insulting goddess Kaali? Hindus are the majority in the country. We cannot be treated like that. Will they please take some suo motu action against this lady? That's my question. And I'll conclude by saying that all these incidents remind me of the famous dialogue from Kashmir Files. कि गवर्नमेंट तो तुम्हारा है, फिर सिस्टम तो हमारा है. तो सिस्टम जो 70 years से है तो वो काफ़ी हद तक है. And yes, there is an ecosystem which has selective outrage and which is anti-Hindu. And today in a Hindu majority country, the lives of Hindus are not safe. We Hindus are threatened. Our lives are not safe, and this is scary. And we are tolerant. We respect others' religion. We believe in Sammanbad, that is, we respect others' religion, not only tolerance, not only Sahishnutavad, but Sammanbad. But then, we are not weak, and we should not be seen as weak. Yes, ahimsa parama dharma, par dharma himsa tadaiva cha. So I think in such a scene, I think we Hindus must be united. We should come out together. It's not we may not be going out on the roads and do things what the other side do, but yes, we should be united at least to show our strength, because the situation is a situation something like a civilizational war, and civilization को सभ्यता को बचाना धर्म है. I feel so. Thank you for listening to me, and I expressed my deep emotions, deep feelings. So you may please put your comments. Please, if you like it, do like, share, and if you have not subscribed to my channel, do subscribe. Thank you again. Namaskar. Vande Mataram. Bharat Mata ki Jai.